The night was dark and quiet. The moon hung low in the sky, casting long shadows across the land. In a small village, a young boy named Alex sat by his window, gazing out at the starry sky. He loved the night. It was a time of peace and mystery. As Alex watched the stars, he imagined himself flying among them. He could feel the wind rushing past him and the stars twinkling all around. He closed his eyes and let his imagination take him on a magical journey. When Alex opened his eyes, he realized that the night was still young. He decided to take a walk through the woods. The trees seemed to whisper in the wind, and the owls hooted in the distance. Alex felt a sense of wonder and awe as he explored the night. As he walked back home, Alex looked up at the sky once more. The stars were still shining brightly, and he knew that he would never forget this special night.